When you're using citrus oils, you always use it with something else. So lime and peppermint is good for against certain things. And you take those two characteristics, you add it together and you get a complete blend. So lime also is squeezed out of the skin. And limes, so there's a thing going around that green, so there is no such thing as a lime. It's either a lemon or an unripe lemon. So if you go look carefully, there is such a thing as a lime, and I couldn't find any to bring to you today. But they're actually small. They don't look like lemons at all. They're round. They've got tough little skins. They don't give up their essential oil very easily. So that's why if you want lime in your food, you have to take the whole rind. And because they are smaller than oranges and grapefruit and naartjies or mandarins, and their skin is tougher, they yield less oil. So lime essential oil will be more expensive than mandarin essential oil.